Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the Camarilla R4 breakout scanner. Today our Google Sheet is not working and due to some data connectivity issue. So the LTP is not updating. So but the strike price selection and entry price and everything is updated, but that real-time data feed from our data provider is not connected yet, and till we are working on that, but we don't get any update. And finally the market is mover. We have tried our best, but finally we can't able to connect the feed into live market today. So maybe tomorrow also we not yet confirmed by tomorrow. This is for an update. So maybe if any problem with tomorrow also, you can just adjust for that, and whatever the 2 days, and we can update in our your subscription. So we are mentioning here the data issue is still going on. Okay, so we will update. Once update, I will send you some messages in the sheet itself. We'll be getting that LTP would be updated. So meanwhile, how we can filter out the stocks, those who are using my Google Sheet scanner. So based on the Camarilla R4 breakout. So how do we use, and we have a charting scanners which we have created, and that where we updated on our premium Telegram group, as well as those who are my sheet subscribers are already updated on that sheet video, and personally also we shared it, those who are using my Google Sheet. So let me check how that Camarilla is working. Today we find some of the stocks which we are taken for a study. Okay, based on the strike price selection from our sheet, and how the scanners will help you to make some good opportunities today, that we will discuss in this video. And before that, I'm just apologies for that. Today's update is not done in our Google Sheet. Maybe tomorrow we will be complete that update. So you will be getting with that perfect one. So today we have a facing problem with the data feed provider. Okay, so we have already created some thing, the scanner for Google Sheet, same like that the Camarilla breakout R4, those stock which is given you the breakout on the R4 level, how it is working. So today there is a lot of stocks like HAL and PFC, HDFC, AMC, Tata Communications, and Paj Industries. So these are all the stocks which is giving you the breakout on second 15 minutes candle. So we normally not taken if the stock which forming a first 15 minutes candle. So let me check as per HAL. So in our sheet, what is the HAL strike price? So let me check 4,200 if you are looking for an option. So if I'm just going for an HAL directly, so the first candle it's not broken the R4. Okay. The second candle, the R4 level 4,260 that were broken in HAL, and after that it was in very flat, but finally it is giving you such a good result and nearby closing hours. It's an intraday trade. Maybe we will be waiting up to 330, sorry, 350 maximum, but today it was giving you such a good result somewhere around 4,400 around 2 o'clock. Maybe our entry point based on our Google Sheet scanner which we are trying for uh, breakout. So the first candle not broken that level inside between the R4, and the second candle where it is exactly triggered, maybe the pivot we can keep as a stop, and in this case maybe 4260 is the R4 level. Okay, and the lower level 4143, that should be a stop, and in this case it is giving you the breakout, the stop loss is not broken, and finally it was a giving you such a good result on that. So based on option trading, so this is what an equity. So what should be the strike price? 4200 should be the strike price. HAL 4200, because today's sheet is not working, but our scanner is always working. So same like that. So 4200 strike price, our breakout point, the first candle it not broken. The second candle where it is given you the R4 breakout, maybe near about 191.7. Okay, and the stop loss maybe around 137, and we are taking near about 50 plus points risk. But in this case, after the breakout of 191, the option is moved towards almost 482, but we can't expect that much. So what was the risk which you are taken? That reward we will play with that. So that's good enough. But unfortunately, if such a kind of movement also if you want to track, so we can trial our stop loss, and then we can find out such a kind of a big opportunities on our intraday trade also. The second stocks based on our scanner is about a PFC, and PFC, let me try for a PFC. That is also first candle. It's looking like a spinning top kind of thing which forms, and the second candle where it is the broken 446 and it went up to maximum 456, almost 10 rupees where it is given in the moment. So maybe the strike price which I'm just looking for this particular stock near about, maybe the strike price which I'm going to looking for this maybe near about 430, 440, 430, maybe PFC 430. So based on our Google sheet, what our strike price PFC 435, yeah, PFC 435, exactly the strike price available. So PFC 435 call option, that has also been the same 21.3 and 16.9, and that was giving you such a good moment. So where it is generated the breakout, and from that 4.5 rupees risk, and then it went up to more than nearby 7.6, more than 1 is to 1.5. So that's a good result where we find out. And HDFC AMC, Tata Communications are those another. Tata Communications, first candle not triggered, the second candle triggered, that was an opportunity. And HDFC AMC which you have seen, and Tata Communication, and then Page Industries maybe not liquid, IRCTC maybe liquid, IRCTC liquid one. So the second candle, maybe in this case it was a stop loss trade, so no problem. So in this case, if I'm just looking for a 1020 IRCTC 1020 call option, if I'm tried for this, our breakout point where it has happened 44, 45.25, maybe 44.5 and 39, our stop loss got triggered, but finally it closed on the same level. But no problem, this is what a trade which we have taken as a stop loss one. Okay, so among this 5 or 6 stocks where we filtered the second candle trigger, so almost of Page Industries and Idea Cellular is not a liquid one, but Idea we are not simply not taken because of the low price and also high lot size. From among the 6, one would be a illiquid, and from 5 trades we have a 4 targeted and one would be a stop loss. This is for upside move. That is what a R4 breakout, and we have already S4 breakout scanner also. That S4 breakout which we are which is working for an S4, if any stocks which given you the breakdown on a S4. So let's look at this. These are all the stocks like Biocon, Dabur, and Coromandel, Crompton, Divis, Ultratech, and let me check what is happening Biocon and Coromandel. These are all the put side. Okay, Biocon that has 4 on the third candle, I think. So first and second candle maybe. Let me check. It's about a third candle. So if I want to check for a second candle, I don't want to go for a third. So I need to change this. So only 3-4 stocks: Dabur, Aro Pharma, Crompton. So let me go for a Dabur. In a put side, I'm just looking for, this is a second candle trigger. So pivot is a so far away. So our breakdown is around 539, 547 is our stop loss. After the breakdown, slightly it moves up 543 and finally came down 34. So almost 5 rupees, and then finally closed with near about a 4 rupees loss. Okay, so on final closing hours, the market went a huge, almost 200 point sudden movement. And let me check Dabur, Aro Pharma, what is happening on Aro Pharma. So according to the market conditions, so this is what not moving yet. Maybe a stop loss kind of trade from 1146 to 1160. And overall market initially positive. I think around after 2 o'clock, so there is a, sorry, 12 o'clock after there is some correction, and then it is finally bounces back. So this is what the scanner will help you to find out a breakout Crompton and Alchem. So let me check Alchem Laboratories, that was not triggered. Alchem, sorry, Alchem Laboratories. That would be a stop loss again. Okay, so initially it fall down and maybe your stop loss trigger. And then finally we have a 4 stocks. Fourth one is Crompton. So this scanner will filter out what are the stocks which is triggers on the second candle. So here this maybe in the put side it is not working well, but call side is works well. And if you are looking at Nifty overall market also, we will check which side I'm just going for. It is started with gap up, initially came down and again recovered back. Then it came down and finally it is the closing hour after 2:15. It was a huge move and it is closed to the higher level, almost 200 points. from comparing to the previous close. So today our Google Sheet is not worked, but even we can able to find out the traits if you are following our Camarilla R4 breakout. So such as stocks which you are using with the scanners to find out, and even many scanners which you have created that was updated on our premium group. So these are all the scanners which is not available defaultly in charting. So we need to create a customized one. After creating the custom indicator, so we are making scanners that will work for an intraday. Okay, normally if you are looking for a Camarilla R4 or S4, R5, S5, whatever, so which we have created based on the custom one. So that is defaultly not available, but we have already created that will be available. So whatever the scanner which you are creating based on the custom indicator, that scanner link will be provided on our premium group. The premium group is nothing about, you will be getting all my premium scanners which I have created earlier, and also what are the scanners which I'm creating in future, that is also going to be updated on that premium group. So that will help you to make your intraday or a short term swing or BTSC, something like that. So scanners are available. So maybe whatever the thing which you are looking for, that would be available in the group. So if you are interested, you can join on the group. It's a one time paid group, so you can access all my scanner with edit, copy and edit rights with the you can modify also as per your requirement. So that's about today's video, and we are trying to work out our Google Sheet. So maybe from tomorrow it will be going to be update. Uh, sure, I will believe. So till for I'm sorry for today. No worry. So you will be getting updated soon. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.